Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the strip voltage and IP rating so you don't mismatch power later. Next, cut exactly on the copper scissor marks. This preserves circuit continuity. Once cut, carefully remove about 2-3 mm of silicone or outer jacket to expose the copper pads. Use a sharp blade and steady pressure. You do this to access solder points or connector contacts, which is faster and more reliable than peeling randomly. Make sure to work on a flat surface and keep the parts dry. You now decide: quick waterproof connectors or a permanent solder joint. If using connectors, align polarity and clamp firmly. They speed installation. If soldering, tin pads and wires, solder quickly to avoid thermal damage, then test polarity with a multimeter. Once electricals pass, add mechanical strain relief using heat shrink, silicone, or UV adhesive. This prevents repeated flexing from cracking the connections. You do this because a mechanically sound seal preserves waterproofing, and you finish by sealing each joint thoroughly with silicone or epoxy. Cover copper and connector edges, then wait full cure time for waterproof integrity. Once cured, reconnect the correct power supply and power the run. Inspect brightness and feel for excessive heat. If a segment is dim or dead, first check polarity and continuity with your meter, then isolate the faulty section and repair or replace it. You do this to ensure durability. A poor seal or reversed wire causes common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.